Disclaimer: this is an imaginary story. Please don't relate it with any idol or any other person. It's nothing related to anyone's life. It's pure work of fiction. Any resemblance to actual persons, living or dead, or actual events is purely coincidental. It's a Notice 7 story. If you are solo stand and can't see other members, then this story isn't for you. You are on wrong channel. Watch the story carefully, then comment. Be respectful and don't embarrass yourself. Whatever pics are shown in this story, they all have been taken from Google and Pinterest. The credit for them goes to their real owner. Storyline and voice are mine, so please don't copy that. The living room was totally scattered, like it faced any storm. None of thing was at its place. Why? Let's go and see. June. Hang, we got the contract papers. When do you want me to fix the meeting? Said while looking at the file. Ah! Suddenly a ball hit on his file and his glasses fell. What the? Looked around the mess. What are you doing, Cook? You joined the mafia world, but still didn't leave your habit of spreading the house. Cook, while picking the balls. I didn't spread the house, and you are always ready to blame me. June raised his one eyebrow. Don't lie. Ball is in your hand. Cook, can't you see? I'm picking the things up. June, you aren't doing any favor. You spread the things. It's your responsibility to pick them up. Cook, throw the ball. Now I won't pick the things. June, I will see how you won't pick them up. Cook, you know nothing except blaming me. June, I don't blame you without any reason. Hobie came there. OMG, what did happen here? It looks like any storm hit the living room. But few minutes ago, when I went to my room to freshen up, it was all right. Suddenly, what happened? June, this brat again spread the house. I told you to not let him join our field. He is still a bratty kid, but you didn't listen to me. Cook, Hobie Hang, as to your mastermind mafia, what proof does he have that I spread the house? Did he see me spreading the house? June, I don't need any proof. I can tell by my personal experience. Since your birth, you only disturb us. Now, too, you are doing the same thing. Cook, you are the one who always break the things, not me. You blame master. June, now I became blame master from June Yang. Looked at Hobie. Yang, see how disrespecting tone he is talking with me. Cook looked at Hobie. He started first. Whenever he started losing, he played the hang card. Hobie shouted, Enough! Shut up, both of you. I feel like I'm stuck in between two small childrens, not in two mafias. Don't you have little bit shame? Here the entire living room is spread out and you both still want to fight. June, Hang, why are you shouting at me? It's this brat's fault, not mine. Cook, see Hang, he is still blaming me. Hobie, I'm seeing everything. Looked at June. What proof do you have that he spread the entire living room? Have you seen him spreading the house with your own eyes? June, no, I didn't, but I know it might have done by him only. Hobie, since you don't have any proof, you will just shut your mouth. Looked at Cook. Cookie, you tell what happened. Cook, What else be the reason of spreading the living room except our little storm Kim Taeyang, aka TT? Hobby. Now why did he turn the house upside down? Cook. That I didn't know. I only know Jin Hyang and TT had the ugliest fight and TT spread the living room. Hobby. Slapped Joon's arm. See? It was TT, but you are blaming my poor baby. Say sorry to him. June. Ah, for you, Cookie comes first. You never scold him. Hobby bent on his knees and started picking up the things. Now stop sulking like kid and help us to rearrange the things. June started picking things. Hobby Hang, your special baby isn't helping us. Hobby, Cookie, help us, baby. Cook, no, first tell him to apologize me. June, in your dreams. Hobby, June, apologize right now. June, fine, I'm sorry. You two are always bullying me. One day I will take revenge from you. Cook happily started picking the things. Yeah, why not? There, everyone was busy in house to arrange the things, and here little boy was sitting on the entrance staircase with big angry pout. A car stopped near the entrance, and a man in all black outfit stepped down. Yungi, Titi, why are you sitting here? Come inside. T, without looking at him. Kitten, go. Titi won't go anywhere. Yungi raised his one eyebrow. Anywhere? It's your own house, Titi. My baby tiger's den. T. Baby tiger became denless. Kitten. Yungi, denless. Interesting. I found new word. But tell me what happened. Why doesn't Titi want to go in his den, and who made my baby tiger denless? T. Who else can be other than that monster? Yungi, monster, sat beside T on stairs. Now what did Hyang do with my baby tiger? T. Don't ask kitten. Kitten's heartless heart will break to hear monsters atrocity. Yungi, monsters atrocity? Who taught you this much big words? T. Big party, but leave that words and focus on TT now. Yungi, oh yeah. Now what atrocity Hyang does on my baby tiger? T. Monster, stop poor baby tiger to eat baby tiger's tasty strawberries. Yungi, oh, this much big atrocity. But why did Hyang do that? T. To trouble poor baby tiger. Yungi, it's okay. I will give my baby tiger strawberries. Hobby brought new carton yesterday. T. No use. Monster gave Titi's all these tasty strawberries to devil neighbor aunt. Now there is nothing to eat. Yungi, why? T. To test with Titi. Titi was stopping monster, but monster didn't listen to Titi. Yungi stood up. Okay, come with me. I will buy new strawberries for baby tiger. If baby tiger wants a strawberry, then he will definitely get that. Finally, Hobby, Joan, and Cook were done with rearranging the living room. Yungi and T secretly entered in the house with the bag full of strawberries but got caught by Jin near the entrance. Jin, Kim Yungi and Kim Taeyang, stop right there. Yungi, Hyang, Jin looked at Yungi. Why did you bring this brat here? Yungi, what are you saying, Hyang? He is our baby tiger. Jin, it's human's house. Animal isn't allowed. Throw him out. T. Me? It's baby tigers. Then baby tiger won't go anywhere. Jin, either this animal live in the house or me. Decide fast. T went to Jin and hugged his leg. Me? Monster can live with baby tiger in baby tiger's den, said while rubbing his face. June, Hyang, now let it be. See, our baby tiger again wants to do friendship. Jin, but I don't want to do any friendship with animal. T. Oti, then Titi won't tell monster where did Titi hide monster's pink slipper. Jin looked at Hobie. See, I told you he hid my pink slipper. Now don't you dare to talk with me. Angrily left. T. Monster, wait! Left behind him. Yungi smiled. He and Hyang always fight with each other. Will anyone tell me what was the reason behind their fighting? Cook. Titi was playing with Jin Hyang's pink frying pan and pink spatula war game, but he broke them and hid his pink slippers for escaping from the punishment. June. And in return, Hyang gave his all the strawberry boxes to neighbors who wanted strawberries for house party. June and Titi spread the whole living room and left the house. Yungi shook his head in disbelief. Hyang and Titi's fighting will never gonna end. Cook. Right, but he is becoming more demanding and possessive day by day. Hobie, it's okay. We will fulfill his all the valid demands. After all, we only have one baby to pamper. Time skipped at next day. Jin entered in the house with a cute little boy who was holding Jin's long index finger with his whole hand and looking at the house with his cute glossy eyes. Jin, Minnie, it's my house now. You will live here. Minnie looked around the house. House so big. Jin smiled. Do you like it? Minnie, Minnie, house loves Minnie happy happy. Jin patted his head. Good. I'm going to change my clothes. Till then, you can see the house. Minnie looked at Jin with cute eye smile. Oti! Jin left to his room and Minnie was happily walking in the house. He saw the big glass window and went there. Minnie, wow! Big window! Pressed his face on the glass. T from outside. Ah! Minnie got scared and fell on the floor. Ah! Started running. Minnie was running carelessly and bumped with June, who was holding so many files. He again fell on the floor along with files, and all the papers started flying in air. Minnie got scared. He crawled behind the couch and hid there. Hobie, stupid Junie, you can't carry anything without falling, right? June, Hyang, I was bumped with her little baby. Hobie, baby, Titi is playing in the garden with Yungi Hyang. June, no, I'm not talking about Titi. There was someone else. Hobie looked here and there. Here is no baby, and where does any baby come from? Stop making excuses. June, really, Hyang? There was a baby. His tiny hands touched my legs. Cook, came there with a tray of strawberry milkshake. Wow, today you spread papers. Placed the tray on the floor and started helping June to pick the papers. I guess my whole life will spend by picking up the things. Sometimes TT spread the things, so sometimes you. Minnie saw milkshake. Minnie hungry. Slowly crawled to cook and came back with a strawberry milkshake. Mmm, tasty. Started sipping more with straw. Minnie, tummy, happy, happy. Finished the drink and quietly placed the empty jar again on the tray. June, thank you, Cookie. Cook, it's okay, but now carefully walk. Saw the empty jar. Where did strawberry milkshake go? Hobby, strawberry milkshake? Cook, I made it for TT. I placed it on the floor and started helping you in picking the papers. But now here is an empty jar. Hobby, what's wrong happening here? Junie felt a small baby's hands. Strawberry milkshake disappeared. Is there any ghost? June, hang, it's not the ghost work. It's that small baby's work who made me fall. Minnie, behind the couch. Minnie, no fall. Minnie, dashy dashy, run, run. June, see, I told you here is a baby. Looked at Hobie and Cook. Did you hear the voice? Cook, yeah, we heard. Hobie, who are you? Come out. Minnie slowly came out. Minnie, come. Cook, oh, so you drank this strawberry milkshake? Why did you steal it? Minnie, no steal. Minnie shitting. Tasty drink. Call Minnie. Minnie no drink. Tasty drink. Minnie tummy talk. Minnie stop. Minnie tummy no listen. Minnie tasty drink. Minnie tummy French. Tasty drink she. Minnie tummy tasty drink chat. Minnie no she tasty drink chat. Minnie drink tasty drink. Minnie tummy tasty drink happy. Minnie only help tasty drink. Minnie tummy said in one go. Cook scratched his hair. What's this? In which language he talked? Hobie looked at Minnie with his famous bombastic side eyes and judgmental face. How can he talk this much in one go? June smiled to hear Minnie's talk. He's so cute. Cook, cute or chatterbox? Hobie, by the way, why are you smiling this much? June, because I understand what he said. Cook, really? Then please tell us. Hobie, finally you used your 148 IQ. June, he said he didn't steal the strawberry milkshake. He was sitting, but tasty milkshake itself called him. He didn't want to drink milkshake, but his tummy growled. He tried to stop his tummy, but his tummy didn't listen. Milkshake and his tummy became friends. Milkshake wanted to see his tummy. Milkshake was so sad to not meet his new friend. He couldn't see Milkshake sad, so drunk it. Milkshake and his tummy met and they became happy. Looked at Minnie, right? Minnie nodded his head vigorously. Yes, right. Minnie no fault. Minnie only help tasty drink and Minnie tummy. June, he is saying it's not his fault. He only helped Milkshake and his tummy to meet. Note, I always got comment asking why always June became Minnie's translator. Is this even a question to ask? Of course, our June is universal translator. Once a translator is always a translator. By the way, tell me how many of you understand Minnie's broken language without Juni's translation? If you understand, then congratulations, you are intelligent too and can apply for Minnie's translator. But remember, you can only apply. Minnie's permanent translator will always be Juni. Hobie looked at Minnie. This little bean cooked this much long story rather than just accepting his mistake. Minnie, mistake? Minnie, no mistake. You know, no understand. June, Minnie didn't make any mistake. You didn't understand. Hobie, I understood everything, you chatterbox. Cook, it was Titi's strawberry milkshake. If he finds out his milkshake Minnie drunk, then he won't leave us. Tea came there. What? Titi's strawberry milkshake already finished? Ah! Baby tiger is so angry. Minnie quickly hid behind John's leg. Ah! Tea jumped on Cook and made him fall. Cookie, where is baby tiger's strawberry milkshake? Cook, Titi pointed his finger on Minnie. Minnie drank it. Minnie behind John's leg. Minnie, no, drink, tasty drink. Tea went to him and pushed him. Why did you drink tasty strawberry milkshake? Minnie fell on the floor. Ah! John, Titi, behave yourself. Minnie, Mama say, Minnie, no fighting. Start. Dada say, no weak Minnie. Minnie strong. Jumped on Tea. Both Minnie and Titi started fighting. They both started pulling each other's hair while rolling on the floor. Hobie, June, Yoongi, Cook were so shocked to understand anything. Tea, while pulling Minnie's hair, how dare you to drink Titi's strawberry milkshake? Minnie, while pulling Tea's hair, Minnie, no drink. Minnie say many time. Titi push Minnie. Jin came there. Hey, what are you two doing? Yoongi, Hobie, June, Cook. What are you guys doing? Stop them. Everyone, yeah. They all tried to stop Minnie and Titi, but they weren't letting the name to stop. Their grip on each other's hair was so strong, they even pushed others. Somehow Jin and Yoongi were able to separate them by hanging them in air from their waist, but still their hands and legs were moving. T. Kitten, leave Titi. Titi will break his teeth. Minnie, come, Minnie, break it, Titi's teeth. Minnie, so strong. T looked at Jin, who carried Minnie. Monsters, you leave him. Baby tiger will eat him alive. Showed him his teeth. Minnie, ah, Ginny monster, Ginny no monster. Ah, Minnie so angry. Minnie pull hair. Titi balti. Yoongi, ah, he just cursed. Minnie looked at June. Curse what? June, curse, bad word. Minnie, ah, this kitty bad word. Minnie choo. Kitty, leave Ginny. Yoongi, yeah, this little chick again cursed me, see? Minnie, Kitty say Minnie bad words. Minnie chill water Kitty. Minnie play round Kitty's eyes. No tail Kitty cry. Minnie no milk Kitty. Minnie happy tummy. Yoongi, what did he say? June, he said, took a deep breath. He said, you are a nice man. Jin shouted, enough. Now nobody will say anything. Looked at T and Minnie. Finger on your lips. T T and Minnie immediately placed their fingers on their lips and Yunjin placed them on the floor. Finally, there was some peace. Hobie, while rubbing his ears, ah, finally there is some peace. Cook, Jin Yang, this boy came here and drank tea's strawberry milkshake. Yoongi, he cursed me. Jin, Yoongi, he didn't curse you. He is Minnie, my friend's son. He had to go somewhere urgently and he couldn't take him with himself. So he requested me to take care of him for a week. Yoongi, for a week? Seriously? No, this little chick can't stay here. I can't tolerate him. See how he is glaring at me. June, Hank, he is so cute. Jin, for a week he will stay here. If anyone has any problem, then he can shift anywhere else for a week, said by looking at Yoongi. T. Titi doesn't want Minnie. Minnie, with finger on his lips. She, Titi no listen Ginny. Titi no good boy. Minnie good boy. Minnie no talking. T placed his finger on his lips. No, Titi is a good boy. Jin, very good. Now hug each other and do friendship. Good boys don't fight. T. Minnie drank Titi's strawberry milkshake. Minnie, tummy friend, tasty drink. Minnie no fault. June, Titi, Cookie will again prepare strawberry milkshake. Now hug each other and become friends. T and Minnie, Oti, hugged each other. June, Titi, show Minnie whole house. T grabbed Minnie's hand. Oti, let's go Minnie. But Titi won't share Titi's stuffs with Minnie. Minnie no want Titi's stuff. June, Titi, he doesn't want your stuffs. Now go and play. T, that's good. T took Minnie in the backyard. Minnie stepped on Yoongi's leg and left happily while swinging their hands. Yoongi, see, this little chick stepped on my leg. June, it's okay, Hank. He didn't curse you. He just talked in his language. Cook, that means we have to understand his chatterbox language. Hobie, here we couldn't handle TT and now Minnie also come. Looked at the sky. God, please give us strength to bear them. Time skipped after a week. 1 week passed. T and Minnie became best friends. All day they do mischiefs and Hang run behind them. June was Minnie's personal translator. Most of the time he didn't translate Minnie's words to Yoongi. Today was the last day of Minnie in Titi's house. His parents came to pick him up. June brought the new plants from nursery. Titi and Minnie were planting 7 happy flower family of each member's name. Minnie, beautiful flowers. Minnie love beautiful flowers. Titi will help Minnie. Beautiful flowers need water. Minnie looked at the flower pot. Ginny, Big Botty, Kitty, Hoppa, Bunny, Titi, Minnie, happy flowers. Minnie, come meet happy flower family soon. Jin shouted, Minnie, come, your mom and dad are waiting. Minnie, come, Ginny. Now, Minnie, go. Bye, beautiful flowers. Minnie's mom, thank you so much for taking care of Minnie. Jin, it's all right, no need for thanks. June, yeah, we have so much fun with Minnie. Minnie came to them. Minnie, go, bye. Yoongi gave Minnie chocolate. Eat on the way so that for few seconds your tongue gets some rest. Minnie took the chocolate and hugged Jungi.
Minnie, come soon. Kitty tail grow fast.
Jungi looked at June. Don't say he praised me. June smiled. He said when he will come back, you will grow your tail. Ruffles Minnie's hair. Jungi, you brat. Minnie
Minnie, no brat. Minnie, good boy.
hugged June tightly.
Right, big party?
June gently pinched his nose. Right, Minnie. Minnie hugged Cookie.
Minnie, Miss Bunny running.
Cook, don't worry. I will come to meet you. Minnie hugged Hobie.
Opa, Minnie, Miss dancing.
Hobie kissed on his forehead. I will video call you and dance together. Minnie hugged Jin.
Ginny, thank you. Tishy food.
Jin, I will send you tasty food. Minnie hugged Dee.
Titi, care. Beautiful flowers.
Dee hugged him back.
Don't worry, Minnie. Titi will take care of beautiful flowers.
Minnie's dad grabbed his hand. Let's go, Minnie. Minnie, while happily waving his tiny baby hands.
Bye bye, Minnie. Come soon.
He came with a storm, but left with so many memories and leaving his symbol in planted flowers. Just like a seed grows into a tree, early bonds of friendship blossom into lasting memories. Even if someone stays with us only for a short while, their presence can leave memories that last a lifetime. The children's laughter, mischief, and innocence brought light into the home, reminding us that joy is found in the smallest moments. True bonds are not measured by how long we share time, but by how deeply they touch our lives. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all liked it. It was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. Baby Titi and Minnie back with their naughtiness. However, are Titi and Minnie? Being the youngest kid, Titi didn't want to share his belongings. It's quite normal. If Titi was stubborn, then Minnie was double stubborn. His age and height might be small, but his tongue was very long and sharp. They both became soulmates by fighting with each other. Poor Hanks stuck between Minnie and T's fighting. Minnie planted 7 flowers by each member's name and Titi watered them. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.